清水スタジオキッズ育成クラスです。お願いします。
And now it's time to bring up the headliner of the evening. Very special. Please welcome to the stage.
Escape from New York, now beyond some bullshit. I pull guns as fast as I those chicks with dope tits. Harvey Lee Cool, said the coke's alive in the 6. Got my name all in your mouth like your knob with a brick. Click me on the tool, chain swinging down in my shoes. Light up the room, African boom, sparking it. Decipher the rock, the type of range, life is a cop, so spiteful. Things can left shaking like Michael J. Fox. The AIDS affected needle acupuncture. Hustler, murderer, and kidnapper suspect. Rapper with guts head, the blood red, the drip blue. My shit's too colorful, running through with 100 goons of maniac. If a bitch like the sun, beauty to your radiac. What's up in their mouthpiece? See how they react, they be back like an instant replay. Living the PJs, watching my uncle freebase. And the lines of the angles on the fiend's face. I learned to love my trees lace. The way the PCP tastes, the way you make me see things. Old school like spot goods and sheepskin. Since I'm like this, I'm rocking iceberg jeans and Timbs. Thinking where I'm gonna be in 2007. Either a house in the Hamptons or a house in heaven. I'll be chilling on the beach in the south of Venice, or working the president live on Channel 7. Unadulterated.
Yeah, the motherfucking niggas up, niggas. Come and get you fake ass niggas. Word is wrong. It don't take more than what you got. Before my block, I'll be rocking you and socking you like killer robots. Too hot, but I refuse to cool down till they rest my black ass beneath the ground. I get down from my underground sound, pushing lyrical weight, nigga, by the pound, for real. I'm bringing sight to the visually impaired, cause what you see in rap ain't always too clear. I ain't real stairs from those who create fantasy, putting bust away, fighting you and fighting me. Hip-hop today is like a big magic show, while I'm a magician and a whole bunch of shining hoes. I'm trying to roll like my dick in the morning. It's a new day, matter of fact, a new fucking dawning. Why you stretching and yawning from your sleep? Should them turn this whole shit back to the streets. Once again, it's the militia man, stepping the Brooklyn, coming straight out of Murder Man. While I'm sitting on you, spitting up, letting you silly faggots know the jig is up. What? It's B-I-G-S-H-U-G. If I'm caught up in the game, I'll blast my way out. Big shoot, I'm the black Tommy Sama. I'm bad man, understand the right. It's B-I-G-S-H-U-G. If I'm caught up in the game, I'll blast my way out. Big shoot, I'm the black Tommy Sama. I'm bad man.